Well, another one of the lads that are out here, Andrew Kluver, with his immaculate-looking machine here. It looks like a Can-Am machine. Andrew, tell us a bit of the history about this little beastie.
That's the car that Keke Rosberg took to the World Championships and won. It was actually owned by Paul Newman, as in Paul Newman the actor, and Bill Freeman. It's one of the original 3 Spyder cars that they won the series in. And yeah, it's the only one left in the world. I'm pretty lucky to have it.
Well, where'd you find it?
If I said bumfuck Idaho, it's exactly where they found it. They found it in a barn. Funny story. We had a whole lot of termites was holding the barn together, and this was inside it. So it was found in America by a guy called Bill Paddock, and very simply, he had a whole bunch of Indy cars, and I do a bit of business with him, and he said, "Why don't you take this? It's all race ready." And I went, "Yeah," and we brought it out the first time, and we went, "No, it's not." So it's been totally rebuilt, but it's a hoot of a thing to drive.
So I bet it is. What's in it?
Apart from a bad driver, 6-litre Chev, 780 horsepower.
And been a while since you've been behind the wheel, coming here at Phillip Island, probably for the first time since last year.
Kept me away, so it's been 5 years since I've been back. So I just did my PB today.
I was going to say, how long did it take with the eyes bright and open when you first got in it yesterday?
Yes, and the glasses are on so they don't fall out today. But it's a lot of fun.
I bet it is. And how long have you actually had it? And
I bought it in 2009, and I've raced a lot of that time. Had back surgery and a few other incidentals, but basically take it out 3 or 4 times a year, with the exception of the COVID scenario, and just have a ball in it.
And what's your lap time around here like?
My lap time should be around 1:38. So 1:41 is about where it should be, but we've done a few modifications in terms of suspension and setup. So we're hoping to be under 140, hopefully 138.
That's pretty handy, especially with one of these things. There's plenty of grip on them too, I take it, and good aerodynamics as well.
Oh, the aero's unbelievable. I run a 5000 as well, and the aero on this climbs walls. It's unbelievable, and it sits on the road, and it's point and shoot. It really is point and shoot.
Is it very daunting to drive when you first drove it?
Not for blondes. We have no sense. No, it was funny. It's one of those cars. The best time I ever did, I hope you're going to cut lots of this out, but the best time I ever did went down here 326. And I came in and the guy said, "Isn't that fantastic? You did, 326. I said, "What are you talking about?" There was a guy catching a wave off the beach. And he went, "Oh, fuck off." And I'm going, "No, there was. He said, "Do you realise how fast you were going?" And it must have been like 100th of a second that you see those. But that's the reaction time that you do not realise that this demands. And if you sat and thought about it, you just wouldn't do it. So it's not, it's very much hands-on. The blood's running, the adrenaline's going, all that sort of stuff. But it's such a hoot. It's seriously such a hoot. We were going to get Guido in it, but he couldn't reach the pedals.
That's nice. Tell me, I don't know whether you want to tell me, but how much is it worth?
I was told over $250,000 US. Someone rang me up the other day who has a collection of Newman cars and said you could double that. I don't want to double it.
And I don't think you'd be in a hurry to get rid of it, though, would you?
No, but my wife is, but that's another story.
All right, Andrew, thanks very much, and go and have some fun in the Lola.
Okay, thank you for your time. Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Bye.